Good day, everyone. Welcome to Wise Link Academy. Today, we want to be producing out this isometric drawing. That is, we want to produce out this isometric. So please, I want you guys to follow me and be focused. Yes, we need to be focused so as you can understand what I'm trying to do here. So, as you know, isometric is what always what an inclined to what 30-degree. That is, we need to draw out our straight line and our what incline 30-degree. Understand that? So let's do that. Now, using my set square, this is my T square. So now let's draw an incline what? An incline line. So, sorry, a straight line. This is my straight line. Then you want to draw an incline line 30-degree by using your what? Your 60 by 30. See, straight like this with arrow. You should cut and straight like this. So that's what I'm doing. Come to the other side, do the same thing here too. So you can see what I'm doing. So after you have drawn this out, let me show you what is next. Now we have successfully drawn out our incline line, that is this incline 30-degree, because there's a straight line here, upward 30-degree, like this 30-degree. So that I have drawn now. What do you notice? What we need here is what? We need the length, width and height. For isometric drawing, the first thing to note, what you need is what? Your length, your width and height, isn't it? So our length here is what? Our length here from here to here is what? Is 60. So our length is 60, isn't it? Our width is what? Our breadth is what? 30, and our height is what? From here to here is what? 70, isn't it? So now let's proceed. Let's do that. Coming back to this place, now let's insert what we have there. I said our length is 60, isn't it? That is the isometric shown in the right corner of the screen. As you can see, we're having 60 to be what? The length, isn't it? So let's measure 60. Take measure 60. You can see from here. Let me use this place. From here to here is 60. As you can see, you thicken it because it is no, just draw it, just indicate it. From here to here is 60. You can see. Then from here to here, as I said before, as it's shown at the right corner of the screen, here to here is what? Is 30. As you can see at the right corner of the screen. Can you see that? After you have done that, the next thing to do is what? You project the line upward. This line, take your T square, you draw it what? Upward. Let me show you what I'm doing. See my T square, you draw it down, you take it like this, you project this line upward. As you can see, you come to this place too, project upward. But we said the height is what? 70. Measure your 70. Sorry, 70. That is 7 centimeters, isn't it? This is my 70. Indicate the point here, isn't it? So next thing to just do is what? You draw a straight line at this point, at this middle point, upward. Just draw a straight line upward. At that point, straight line upward. As you can see. Then you take your T square upward. You blend your set square like this. You bend like this. You connect this point to that middle line you have drawn upward. With a faint line. With a faint line. It will not be too thick. It's a what? A faint line. As you can see. The next thing to do is what? You take it to the other side like this. You can see. You connect this one to this place. As you can see what I'm doing. After that, you take it like this again. Just see what I'm doing. You take it from here upward. Let me show you what I'm doing. Upward. I'll be having this. You can see. Lastly, you take it like this. You can see like this. You join that head point here to this place. So I'll be having what? This kind of shape, this kind of box. It simply means that what I want to draw must not be out of what? Out of this box. The next thing to do now is what? That's what? Carving our what? Our box out. So let's see what we're having. As you can see, we have done necessary strings out. What you notice is that from here to here is 10. From here to here is 10, isn't it? And this line are drawn upward and they are thickened. Can you see? So let's do that. So what do you notice? It says from here to here is what? 10. It's showing at see the right corner of the screen. That's it there. From here to here is 10, and from here to here is what? 10. Because this is from here to here is 3. So here to here is 10, here to here is 10. Let's indicate them out. I said from here it is 30, here to here is 10. Ticking it because it's ticking. It is ticking in the textbook. As you can see, right corner of the screen. From here to here is what? It's 10. You're ticking it out. As you can see what I'm doing. So after that, what you project it upward, you connect it upward. So doing that, I'll be having this. Look at it. Take it upward, the thick line. As you can see, you come to this place too, upward with a thick line because it is thickened. Have you seen what I'm having? Look at the right corner of the screen. Here too is what? It's ticking. So you tick in this place, as you can see, and here too is ticking, as you can see at the right corner of the screen. So what is the next thing? What they said? What do you notice? Let me show you. We have successfully drawn this out and this. Likewise, this and this. The next thing to do what? They said from here to here is 5. So from here to here is 5 once again. So let's measure 5. Going back to our diagram, from here to somewhere here is 5. Let's measure 5 out. You take it like this. 5 from here to here is my 5. You're taking it like this. Can you see? You take a dot like this to indicate that's 0.5. So you now take your set square like this. You can see. Take it. You join it faint line to the edge here. Faint line, as you can know what I'm doing. Then after that, you just take your set square like this. Then you will join this edge with this edge with the thick line. You come to this place, this edge here, to that line you have drawn, the thick line. You can see what I'm doing. So after you have successfully drawn this, the next thing to do is what? Is to thicken out that 0.5. This one, thicken it, as you can see at the right corner of the screen. So after I've successfully drawn this, let's see what is next. What do you notice? They said from here to here is 5. I've done that to produce out this. But they said from that 5 to this place is 10. From that 0.5 to this place is 10. Produce out this. So let's do that. So let's do that now. From here to here is 10. Let's measure out 10. As you can see at the right corner of the screen. From here to here is my 10. So you're taking it to this point 10. Get to here is 10. This is it here. Can you see? So you take your set square. This set square, you take it like this. You turn it to that side like this. As you can see, so it's been inclined. You draw what? A thick line to the other edge. This is my thick line. As you can see. So it's taking out this other side too. As you can see at the right corner of the screen, it is ticking. Can you see that? So then you connect this point and this point together. You connect them together. You'll be having this. What do you notice again? Let me show you. You want to reproduce what is in the middle, this line in the middle here. So how do we go about that? Let me show you. You know we have measured from here to here to be 5. At this point here, this point you are seeing here, this is the point here. This point here. This point you are seeing here, this is the point here. So you draw a line downward, as you are seeing downward. Can you see? Let's do that. So doing that, I'll be having this. Before you can draw that line downward, it's the first what? You need to take this like this. You just draw a faint line upward like this. Can you see? Then you now take your readings. Take your set square. Can you see? Take your set square. At that point, at that edge point here, you draw a thick line downward, as you can see. Then after that, you can see that it's touching that other line. You take this, connect it to this point here. So that's what I'm doing. Then you're taking out this line you've drawn. taking it to that edge point, you're having this. So let's see what is next. What do you notice again? They said from this edge point to somewhere here is 10. That is, let me show you. From this edge point here to somewhere in this line is 10. As you can see, it's 10. Let's do that. And after I've drawn that 10, you just draw what? A line that will touch the other line. After measuring 10, you draw a line that will touch in this line here. So to give it 10, let's do that. Measuring my 10, you place this like this to measure the 10. So you thicken it, as you can see at the right corner of the screen. Thicken it. Can you see that? From here to here too is thicken it. You can see. Then you take your set square, incline like this, you push it upward, you touch the square, you connect it to the other point, you thicken it. You can see. So then you come to this place, you thicken out this point too, because it is thickened. Now after this, what do you notice again? Let's show you the drawing. We have successfully drawn out this, isn't it? Let me show you this. What I'm saying, this is here. I see. So what is next? You need to draw out this too. But they said from here to somewhere here is 40. That is, from here to somewhere here is 40. So from that 40, they draw an inclined line. So let's do that. So from here to somewhere here is 40. Let's measure that 40. This is 0 to 40. 40 is somewhere here. You touch that point. So from that point, you take your set square. You draw an inclined line like this. As you can see, don't yet thicken it. Just draw an inclined line first. So what do you now notice? Look at that corner of the screen. This point here is connected downward. So let's do that. Let's connect it downward. From here, connect it downward. As you can see. Then looking at the right corner of the screen, you see that this point here is connected downward too. As you can see, connected downward. So after that, we've now taken the middle point here. This is what I'm having. As you can see, what I am having. So after this, the next thing to do, let me show you. We have successfully drawn out this and this, isn't it? So next is what? Bring out this. So the first thing to do is what? This line, draw a faint line like this. Like what I'm saying, from this point you are seeing here is this point here. You draw an inclined line, then you join this point here. Wherever they are meeting, that will give us what we are having here. So let's do that. You take this incline like this, take it like this, draw a faint line first. As you can see my faint line, then you take it again like this, 90. See, take it from here downward. You can see it's touching here, isn't it? So let's thicken it. You need to thicken like that. Thicken here to here, and this place to this place, isn't it? Then finally, you connect this point here to this point. Then you scale like this. You can see. Connect it. See, you're having this. Can you see what I'm having? So after that, the next thing to do is what? Let me show you. As you can see, we have drawn out this, but they said downward like this. Can you see? There's an isometric box here. Can you see that? But let me show you something. What we have drawn here is it here. As you can see, isn't it? So now you come downward here. You measure an height of 10 because the height of the thickness of this thing is what? 10. See, from here to there is 10. So let's do that. You measure 10 upward from here to here is 10. Don't thicken it, just indicate the point. Then you take your set square, incline like this. Let me show you. Can you see? Like this. You take it to that point you have drawn. You draw a faint line. So they said what? Let me show you. The faint line I draw from here to here is what? 20. Let's measure at 20. Measuring the 20 from that point, the incline I have drawn. Measure 20 from here to here is 20. Taking it, isn't it? I've achieved that. The next thing was just take your set square, incline it like this. Let me show you. Like this. You draw a faint line. You can see. So somewhere here, from here to here is 22. Let me show you. So said from here to here is 20. So let's do that. Measuring 20 from this point here. From this point here to this is 20. Taking it. So finally, just join them together. Take this point here to this, and you take it like this again. Join this point here to this end point here. So you're taking them. Let's taking out this place, and let's taking out this point here. As you can see, what I'm having. The next thing now to do is what? That of straight line. Let's taking it because it's sticking at the right corner of the screen. So you can see it is sticking. So proceeding, let me show you what is next. See this box here, you're seeing this is it here. They said the thickness is what? 1. From here to here is 1. So from here somewhere here is 1. From here somewhere down here is 1. So let's do that. As you can see what I'm having, take your set square like this. You can see, draw a faint line. Draw a faint line. Then come here, draw a faint line downward. So this faint line you draw, you measure 1. So let's just measure 1 from this point. From here to here is 1. Taking it. So you can see what I'm doing. Then you just connect them to that point, which is touching the other point. You're taking it. So taking this one, you come to it like this. You're taking this place too. So you can see what I'm having. Then you finally come like this. You join this place to this place together, taking them, and the middle point to taking it. I'll be having this. So what do you notice? Here too is taking. From here to this point is taking. It's taking it. So we have finally drawn this isometric. Let me show you. This is what we are having. This is what we're having. This is it here. You can see. Let me show you. So if you find this video helpful, kindly click the subscribe button